Hi, today I wanted to try to live, but I cannot live because I wanted to live Chicken Gun in YouTube. So because of that, I got 50 subscribers. I wanted to get to 60 or 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I want it. So make sure to subscribe, please. Okay, so let's begin. Let's play Chicken Gun now. I forgot something that there's a new update of Chicken Gun, so there's also a new map that I love. Of course, this map I play. When I play this map, I saw what the is happening right now. So yeah, we're gonna play. Okay, not the sandbox. Let's move that recorder. Um, no, not team fight. Okay, let's pick free mode. I know to put this recorder, but I'm just gonna put it at the top right there. Okay, let's put it super. I only choose 3 people. I only chose a few people because if it's 20 people, it's total chaos. Yeah, it's total chaotic. I hate chaos, and yeah. Okay, let's go. Wait, let's change the color. So you're gonna kick out. Okay, who are these? Okay, who are these? They're the same. I think they're the sisters. I think they're the same identical. They're the same identical. Yeah, I already knew this. This is another secret that if you pick the secret, you can get one of these. So I didn't yet get the secret, so let's get it right now. So okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, we already get it. So I thought this you. So yes, I thought you need to put a green screen, and then you need to click like you need to. I thought you need to click the like this, but you cannot click it. So I thought this. So yes. So that's not how it works. Yeah, these guys, they didn't get it yet, I think. So yeah, this guy loves some money. Just give me some money. Hey, just okay. I love this new update. It's there's a gym right here in it. Oh, I thought that was. And also, guys, I saw some gold bars in the west. Yeah. In my other videos, they don't have sound because I forgot to turn on sounds. Yes. Sorry. So there's another secret right here. Okay, I'm gonna find that cashier. Yep, I think this is it. Okay, let's check it. Okay, this is a new secret. Okay, let's check it. Ooh, with some cocos. I don't know how to read that because, yeah. I know how to spell, but I cannot read. Hi, dude. We're the same. We also have my same gun. He just leave. Yes. Okay, let's go to supermarket. No, don't ban me. Okay. So how to unban you? You need to just kill yourself. It's almost a 0. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill yourself. Bro, these guys wanna ban me. Like they have the same identical as me. Just joking. Bro, 3, and they are the same identical. But the one has glasses, unlike these. But they are the same identical of their skin. I hate why there's an eggplant here. Bro, these guys doesn't know how to play Chicken Gun. Guess but they have similar identicals. Like who is the doppelganger? Who is the doppelganger? If you don't know, I am actually a Filipino. Yes, I am a Filipino. Kasi Pilipinas ako. Joke lang. Okay, so Bro, don't ban me, okay? Okay. Okay, let's ban this guy. Who's Deco? Dario. Dario. I think his name is Dario. And yeah, he got kicked out. He was kicked out, yes. Okay, what do you do? And also, there's another one. Oh my god, my cell phone's just glitching. So to not make sure to get total chaos, I'm gonna show some secrets for you. So the first one is the no supermarket first. Okay. And actually, I don't know why I need to keep on changing the light. Okay, everything is glitching here because this is a big game, but not actually a big game. I thought this game was started in 2016, but it was from 2019. It's okay. So this is a secret. Another secret right here that you can actually carry to make. But how to get it? Well, you need to just pick your identity. Jeffrey Dahmer. Okay. Pretend that this is your cabinet. You need to pick on Gigi, and this is my the identical. So we're gonna turn on to Jeffrey Dahmer. Okay. My name is Jeffrey Dahmer, but my actual name is Jeff Ruvis. Yes, Jeff Ruvis. Okay, yes, we got it. Okay. You can also change your identical. The next one is actually... Wait a minute. There's some new items also, but I don't think so. Okay, the next one, we need to go to the west. Okay, guys, we already go to the west. So, let's go. So, we need to head there, so, yeah, I'm just gonna not. So, yes, guys, after those secrets, we're going to play PvP, free mode, and, yeah. So, the first secret is a gold bar. I already see it like 2 days ago. Yes, last night, like 48 hours ago. Last night is, yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to pick that. Okay, let's pick on the cameras. So, yes. Yeah, these are some gold bars. This is the same as the... Wait. This is the same of the... But they're now shriveled. So yeah, we're not gonna get that anymore because I already showed you last night. The next secret is a gun. I'm in a jail cell. Yeah, we already got this jail cell. It is also a secret. So there's another one that is actually a gun. So we need to turn into small before you enter this prison. Well, my phone is glitching. Okay, let's go. So you can see that right there. Yeah, that's the gun. Why are you picking up the plane? Okay, let's get these portals. Ender portal. So you managed to get into under the table. You already got the... I'll show you some few steps. If you managed to get under the table, you already got the gun. Yeah, so the next secret is... Yeah, I'm just gonna... Yes, the next secret, guys, is yes. Okay. The next secret is you need to go over there. Wait. So there's another gun that you need to also get. So, yes. You can see this gun. That's a buried gun. Okay. So you can get in if you need to make it a portal. Then after that, we managed to get in. You can see the gun. Yes, we already get it. See, this is the gun. So yeah, that's the gun. The next thing, guys, is we're gonna play PvP. Yes, PvP. Okay, guys, let's play now. Okay. So, I don't think no one's killing each other, so... Okay. Okay, I guess no one's killing each other, so... Okay. Bro, this guy is a panda. Not just a polar bear. Bro, no one's shooting. Bro, this guy won't stop shooting. Okay, I'm not supposed to shoot you. I'm supposed to shoot that. I don't know, that karate. This is an old from Chicken Gun. Bro, stop shooting. He's like you're jumping and you're shooting your gun. Like shooting your gun. Bro, I'm shooting you. Bro, I'm already 40 PvP guns. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, no. You can't shoot me. I'm level 50. I'm level 40. You're just level 40. I'm level 40. You're just using an AK-47. Bro, this guy will stop shooting. But I'm just gonna leave this PvP server and let's call it. Okay, guys. The next game mode we're gonna play is free mode, and if I see someone shooting, I'm gonna kill that man's. Yeah, no. Okay, let's get next. Okay, let's. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna. Okay, guys, so yes, we're gonna play Chicken Gun. Yes, free mode. And I've got locked in the cell. Bro, just let me out. Bro won't let me out. No. Okay. No! Okay, I'm gonna kill myself. Yes, I'm supposed to do that because, yeah, I want to get out of myself. So I think I'm gonna do part 2. Thank you guys for watching. And also, guys, before we end this video, I already got 53 subscribers. I wish I got 60, and I want to lie. So I knew that we're going to play Chicken Gun soon because there's a new update. So I'm gonna end this over here. Okay.